Congratulations, you just hit 30. You are a millennial buying a first property. You probably had a job for the past 5 years and you're wondering, what's the roadmap? Should your first home be a condo or HDB? In this video, I'm going to talk about the roadmap to your first property and how to achieve 2 properties before you hit your 40s. Just a heads up, this is not a property investment course. I'm not good looking enough. This is homework that generations of Singaporeans in their 30s have to go through someday. Let's have a chat on what's your pathway to a first private property before you hit 40. There will be drop-in answers to questions like, is resale or new condo better? Where is 99 better than freehold? Can I buy a condo with 5k income? I'm going to have to share with you what those common mistakes are. Okay, see those property segments everywhere? I'm going to tell you about what those gurus are teaching. Let's see if they have some good stuff and ideas there, and why you shouldn't have to pay thousands of dollars for a lot of the information that may already be out there anyway. In the coming weeks, I'll be launching a series of videos to talk about different pathways to owning your first properties. There will be topics like biggest mistake to avoid when buying your first condo, why private condo may not be for you, no string attached. But don't take my word for it. See for yourself. Make your own conclusions. I'm all ears to hear your different opinions. Why am I doing this? I live in a 3-room HDB until I was 30. My mom was well educated for her generations, but she never dreamed of owning a private condo. Capital preservation and appreciation are terms unfamiliar to her. I learned the hard way. I'm grateful I own private properties in Singapore now, and I have a different game plan for most people. When I retire, I'll cash out and move into my BTO flat. HDB is cheap and good for own stay, but not good for capital growth. I'm making videos so more people can learn. Some of us learned to do it better. Learning now is always better than later. Some agents are going to tell you what you need to know only at the moment when you need to know. To me, the more well-informed you are, the less stressful things are going to get when the time comes, especially when a rare deal comes along. So tune in. In the coming weeks, listen to my channel on your way to work. Look at my rationale and draw your own conclusions. But whatever you do, do not leave it to luck. It's not whether or not you'll find this information useful. It's all about what you need to know when the time comes.